The Bhoi District Administration is fully prepared for the upcoming KHADC elections with robust security arrangements to ensure a smooth polling day. Additional Deputy Commissioner Balakanteo Rani informed that 331 polling stations have been set up across 5 constituencies in the district. Of these, 16 areas have been identified as vulnerable, while 14 have been classified as critical. The district police have implemented stringent security measures, deploying personnel at sensitive locations. Security forces will remain on high alert throughout the polling process, closely monitoring the situation to prevent any disruptions.
Bhoi District gidan Khadc tuli ki critical polling station, but Khanril tuli ki vulnerable polling station. Kajik pun create na kabanta kini ki critical vulnerable polling station galong kumni. Kumangala itu managani ba ngila ki police personnel gila adon lupa kumba 3 companies apo Bhoi District. Kalong bah ki critical but ki vulnerable PS ngibu iki security kambon hang tu gidan samut ki armed personnel but UAE unarmed.